Okay, so I just wanted to give a demonstration of a silly little project I've been working on. What it is basically a way to measure filament that's been used. Now all it is essentially is an old Bondtech extruder, a double gear. I've attached that a Rotaty encoder, giving it a 3D printed kind of a fake NEMA 17 mount. Now this encoder has 2,000 pulses per resolution. It's quite precise. And to that I've connected a little Arduino with a little display which converts the rotation of the encoder into the length of the filament. And then I've also got a reset button. So basically, I can reset it here, and it's very precise. If I just slightly move it here, you can see it counting. Originally, this was to calibrate E-steps and to do some extrusion testing. And I'm planning on doing that, but it could also be used to measure filament consumed off a roll, or I don't know what else, but anyways, a little silly, maybe a little pointless, but still kind of cool.